I've lied to my disability insurance company about my income tax returns. What's going to happen? Well, probably something that you're not going to be happy with. The disability insurance carrier is probably going to deny or terminate your benefits. Well, why would that be? You have a duty under the terms of your disability insurance policy to cooperate with the disability carrier. And in appropriate circumstances, they can ask for your income tax returns. And you have an obligation under the terms of the policy to cooperate with them. Cooperate in the investigation of the claim and the investigation of the ongoing payment of benefits. And that means in appropriate circumstances, they can get your income tax records. Now, if you lie and say, I didn't file, they're probably going to have you fill out that IRS form asking for the IRS to send them a copy of your income tax return. And guess what? They're going to discover that you lied. And then they're going to say, that's probably not the only time that that person has lied to me. Let's do a social media search, or let's put some surveillance on them. So lying once leads to an investigation that can ultimately result in a claim denial or termination. So the better path, obviously, is to be telling the truth about your disability, about your ongoing symptoms, about the impact of your ability to function. And if they ask for documents like an income tax return and you filed one, if the circumstances are appropriate, tell them, I will give you the return. If the circumstances aren't appropriate, you can say, I don't think that these circumstances are appropriate, and ask for an explanation. And if you don't like the explanation, that's probably the time for you to consult with an experienced ERISA disability attorney so they can battle out with a disability carrier whether you need to give those documents, and if so, under what circumstances. So, for example, you may have filed a joint return. You certainly don't want to disclose the income of your spouse, and that's a reason why we can argue that only a limited portion of your tax returns should be disclosed. If you have any questions, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.